In this tutorial, I will show you how to view TikTok profile without alerting users. Be sure to watch till the end to avoid any mishaps. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Next to three-line icon, you'll find two legs. Just tap on it, open a list of users who have recently visited your profile. Next, click on the gear icon, key point to view TikTok profiles. Incognito, disable the view profile history feature. If you disable this feature, your profile visits will not show up on the user's profile page, nor will you receive notifications when other users view your profile. That is it. You have successfully enabled the ability to view TikTok profiles without leaving a trace. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. Stay tuned for further tutorials, and until next time, enjoy watching.